Questions and answers from Unit 1, Hero, Nelson Mandela, An End to Injustice. Comprehension to question number 1. What kind of a person was Nelson Mandela? What adjectives would you say or use to describe his character? Discuss with your partner and write a brief character sketch. So here we have a brief character sketch of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was born in Umtao in South Africa. He was the first black president of South Africa. He took a lot of interest in his studies and also in sports. He had a deep sense of justice which he inherited from his father, and this made him a political revolutionary. His sense of justice and belief in rights of the common people made him actively participate in political protest against apartheid. He devoted himself to political campaigns and rallies and made speeches against the injustice and discrimination faced by his people. Although it was a very dangerous responsibility, but he remained fearless and devoted to his cause till the very end. He also gave importance for education in his life. Although circumstances forced him to discontinue his degree, but later he once again enrolled and successfully completed it. He was also a symbol of justice and equality for the common people. Even after his retirement, he continued to work for the common people. He was an active member of several groups that worked for the benefit of the society. He also received many awards like Bharat Ratna, Nobel Peace Prize, Freedom of the City, and the Honorary Citizenship of Canada. Question number 2. Nelson Mandela's freedom marked one of the most important events in the history of South Africa. Justify the statement with reference to the story. Answer. After Nelson Mandela became the first ever black president of South Africa, he formed a democratic and just society where people lived together in harmony. His rule brought an end to injustice, inequality, and discrimination. Question 3 you can try by yourself.